Hello dear students, this is Neeraj Paul from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I welcome you to online classes. Dear students, today we will discuss about India's Defence Force. Okay, India's Defence Force. So all the students, please open page number 33. Okay, all the students open page number 33. Okay, India's Defence Force. Now let's start. Ready everyone? This is chapter 24, India's Defence Forces, Unit 3, Incredible India. Okay students, look here. Question number A is choose the correct answer from the help kit and write against it. Okay. Question number first is Science of Aerial Navigation. Science of Aerial Navigation. The answer of this question is aeronautics. Okay. Question number second is gun used for defense against air raids. Okay. The answer of this question is anti-aircraft gun. Okay students. Now question number third, a place for the storage of arms and military store. आपको उस प्लेस का नाम बताना है जहाँ पे सैनिकों की मिलिट्री स्टोर होती है, ठीक है, या फिर उनका स्टोरेज प्लेस जो होता है उसका नाम बताना है, ठीक है। तो वो होता है आपका बर्सनल. बर्सनल is the place storage of arms and military stores. Now question number 4 is a tank that can run on land and float on water. Okay, the answer of this question is amphibious tank. Amphibious tank can run on land and float on water. ये जो टैंक होता है ये आपका ज़मीन पे भी चल सकती है और पानी में तैर भी सकती है. ओके, अ टैंक दैट कैन रन ऑन लैंड एंड फ्लोट ऑन वाटर. दिस इज एम्फीबियस टैंक. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज ब्रांच ऑफ आर्मी दैट मैनेज माउंटेड गन्स. Okay, the answer of this question is artillery. Artillery is a branch of army that manages mounted guns. Okay, now come to the question number 6. Question number 6 is specially trained troop both for land and naval attack, that is mariner. Mariner specially trained troop both for land and naval attack. Okay, now question number 7 is a specially trained driver. Okay, diver suited for sabotage under sea. The answer is frogman. The specially trained diver suited for sabotage under sea. The answer of this question is frogman. Now come to the question number 8. Question number 8 is a small fleet of boats or small ship. The answer of this question is flotilla. Flotilla is a small fleet of boats or small ship. Now question number 9 is cabin of pilot in any aircraft, that is called cockpit. Cockpit is a cabin of pilot in any aircraft. Now question number 10 is gunfire so directed as to check the advance of the enemy. The answer of this question is barrage. Okay, barrage is the right answer. Now students, come to the next question. Section B is answer the following questions. Question number first is which is the country highest military honor? देश की जो मिलिट्री है उसका सर्वोच्च पुरस्कार जो होता है वो होता है परमवीर चक्र। सर्वोच्च पुरस्कार जो होता है मिलिट्री का वो होता है परमवीर चक्र। ओके, नेम ऑफ आर्मी जनरल हु वाज conferred the rank of field marshal, that is Sam Manekshaw. Sam Manekshaw is the army general who was conferred the rank of field marshal. Now come to the question number third. Question number third is who is the supreme commander of the Indian Armed Forces? The answer of this question is President. President is the supreme commander of the Indian Armed Force. जो हमारे प्रेसिडेंट होते हैं वो हमारे तीनों सेना यानी कि जो आर्मी है, नेवी है, एयर फोर्स है, उसके सुप्रीम कमांडर जो होते हैं वो होते हैं प्रेसिडेंट. ओके, नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Question number 4 is name the different rank in the Indian Army. Okay, name the different ranks in the Indian Army. The answer of this question is Kodandara Madappa Korippa. Okay, Kodandara Madappa Koriyappa. Okay, this is the name of different ranks in Indian Army. Okay, now come to the next question, that is when was Navy's aircraft carrier INS Virat commissioned in the Indian Navy? The answer of this question is 12th May 1987. Okay, when was Navy's aircraft carrier INS Virat commissioned in the Indian Navy? The answer of this question is 12th May 1987. Okay students, now come to the next question, that is come to the next page, page number 34. Okay students, everyone open page number 34. Okay, now come to the page number 34, that is India tour. The topic is India tour. Okay, ready? Here you can see some statements. You have to read these statements and then after you have to give answer. Okay, look at the question number first. Question number first is capital of India has many attractions like mosques, fort and other monuments that represent Indian history. The important places include Qutub Minar, Red Fort and Humayun Tomb. ठीक है? What is the name of this place? The name of this place is New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India and has many attractions like mosque, fort and other monuments. Okay, like Qutub Minar, Red Fort, Humayun ka Maqbara, etc. Now come to the next question. One of the most beautiful place on the earth, also known as the heaven on earth, known for its beautiful surrounding, floating markets and gardens and serene ride in the Sikhars. The answer of this question is Jammu Kashmir. Jammu Kashmir is one of the most beautiful place on the earth. Dear students, as you all know, Jammu Kashmir one of the most beautiful place on the earth and also known as the heaven of earth. Okay. Now come to the next question. Next question is popularly known as the Pink City. It is the capital of Indian state of Rajasthan. It is a very famous tourist and education destination of India. The famous places are Hawa Mahal, Jaigarh Fort, Jal Mahal, City Place, etc. The answer of this question is Jaipur. Dear students, as you all know, Jaipur is known as पिंक सिटी. जयपुर को ही हम पिंक सिटी के नाम से भी जानते हैं. इट इज़ द कैपिटल ऑफ द इंडियन स्टेट ऑफ राजस्थान. राजस्थान की कैपिटल है ये जयपुर. इट इज़ अ वेरी फेमस टूरिस्ट एंड एजुकेशन डेस्टिनेशन ऑफ इंडिया. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज जयपुर. ओके. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Next question is, it has one of the most famous buildings in the world, the Museum of Shah Jahan wife Mumtaz Mahal, which is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Other prominent places include Red Fort and Itmad-ud-Dawla tomb. The answer of this question is Agra. Agra is one of the most famous building. Students, Agra has one of the most famous building in the world. Okay, that is called Taj Mahal. Now come to the last question. It is one of the most famous tourist attraction in South India, situated in the Idukki district of Kerala. This place is also known for the Eraviculam National Park. The answer of this question is Goa. Okay, Goa is one of the most famous tourist attraction in South India. Okay students, now the class has gone over and the next class will be tomorrow. Okay, and next topic is let's visit Bengaluru. I will explain tomorrow. Okay, bye bye students, good day.